This is Bunny. So today I just brought this Bunny Christmas series and here it is. I made it in the house shape. So you can see that Bunny's in the window here with a Christmas tree and there's also Cookie here. And it says Bunny Christmas. Then you can see this side and here. And like this and bottom. So here it is, and now I'm going to open it. So as you can see, I already made this house shape, so it is really easy to open. Okay, here it is. So here, as you can see, there's 9 pieces. So I'm going to get it opened. Get it opened. And over here. So let me get this one here. So let me fix this on the back side. So I'm going to put it over here. And here it is. Here are the funny characters. And let's put it in the middle for you to see easily. So here it is. So now I am going to open each one. So here. Let's open each one. And the first one would be this one. So I'm really excited about it opening. So let's see. See how it is. So let's see the first character. Oh, it's this one. So it's Bunny Christmas. Oh, I think, let me see if this is, oh, this is the Santa Claus one. As you can see, there are 9 pieces and there's one secret. I hope there's one secret in my box as well, but I'm not sure. So this is Santa Claus. So let's open. Whoa, you can see. Hey, you can see that this is Santa Claus. So this bunny has orange hair with a star belt. It's really cute. Then I will show you on the back side. So the Santa Claus is on the back in this bag, and also they have the yellow ribbon. So here it is. You can see it. So I'm going to put it in my display box. Display box over here. So I will put the Santa Claus over in the middle. Okay. And the next one I'm going to open. Let's see. I wonder what this is. I'm really excited again. And this is Naughty Reindeer. Whoa, this is Naughty Reindeer. So this one is over here. So you can see closely over here, closely. And let me open it. It's open. Get it opened over here. Oh, so here it is. So she's holding this bell. And whoa, Look at this part. Oh, it's really pretty. So let me show you closely. Over here, this one is with the blonde hair. I like the part they have the blonde and orange hair this time. And you can see on the back side. And then at the front side, with the bunny. Okay. Okay, let's open this the snow, I think. Okay, let me figure out how this is set. Oh, so I think this bunny is on the snow. So I'm going to put it the snow. It's fixed over here. So over here it is fixed, and you can see closely. It's really cute. Put it over here. Okay. And then I'm going to open the next one. I'm really excited about the Christmas time that I will do. I think I will probably have Christmas cake and also coffee and cookies as well. And I hope you guys also have a great time. Okay, this one is Bunny Christmas, and this bunny is holding the bear. Oh, let's see. This is the Christmas Eve bear. So you can see the bunny's holding the bear. And I'm going to put it back there. Oh, again, this has the snow part as well, like similar to that one. So this is the Christmas Eve bear, and as you can see, this bunny is holding the bear. And I like the part how they have yellow and orange gradation color. And also she's holding the bear, and bear has the green ribbon, and also she has the green belt as well. So you can see the back part. Then in the front part, she's also having the Santa Claus hat. And you can see that she also has this green shoes. Okay, here it is. I'm going to put it over here. Oh, before I put it, I forgot to have the snow part. So let me fix it, the snow part here. Okay, I just got it fixed over here. I'm going to set up here. Okay, the next one I will open. I wonder, they have this little sound here, so I wonder what this is. Let me guess, maybe, it's really, really hard to guess these days. Maybe it would be something like this one, like Santa Cutie, but I'm not sure. Let's open. So let's get the card. So this time is the Bunny Christmas. Oh, this is really cute. Let me see which this one is. Oh, I think this one is the secret. Oh no, it wasn't secret. Sorry. This is the Christmas tree. It's over here. Christmas tree. Here it is, and I'm going to open it. Okay, they have the snow here, and I'm now used to the snow part. So let's open. Let's go. Open it. It's open. So over here, that I will fix the snow part. But here it is. Whoa! Can you see this? So this bunny is wearing really fancy dress. So this is a light green and dark green over here, and you can see also the flower star shape and also the red ribbon. And she has cookie on her hair. And then you can see over closely. And then you can see the back side as well. So she's also wearing the boots and it's really cute. So here it is. You can see it. Okay, I'm going to put it over here. Let me put it here over here. So the next one that I will open is this one. And today I had hot chocolate and it was really cold here, and in my room I had hot chocolate and it was really great. So I hope you guys have some hot chocolate as well. It's really nice in winter time. Oh, so this one is the Bunny Christmas. Oh, the Bunny Christmas. Oh, this is the Christmas Mary. It's the Christmas Mary here. Christmas Mary written. So it says Christmas Mary here as well. I think this is like kind of like a fairy. Okay. This is very unique because they have this one has the white hair. So this one they have also the snow, and get it. I need to get this part. So I'm going to get this fixed over here. So it's like fixed over here. Fixed over here. Then I'm going to fix the snow as well over here. Okay, as you can see, this looks like a fairy, and the name of it was Christmas Mary. So Christmas Mary, you can see that she's also wearing this crown with the star crown. It's really pretty. So the unique thing about this is that this one has the white long hair. Unlike other ones, they have mostly short hair, but this one has the long hair. And also she's wearing this yellow this yellow, I think it's a kind of a shirt or accessories. And I think it might be like a yellow necklace, I think. So it might be necklace. And you can see there's also moon shape on her head. She's wearing yellow dress. Then you can see over here. Then you can see on the back side, she has these wings and it's really cute. Oh, it looks like she's flying. Then you can see over here closely. Then I'll put it over here. And the next one is this one I will open. So let me open it quickly. Okay. Oh, this one is the snowman. Oh, let's find it. Oh, it's over here, the snowman, so you can see closely. Okay, it looks like it's just like a snowman. So the bunny is probably in the snowman. Let's open. So this one is the snowman. It's really cute, I think. You know, when I was young, I played outside and I made snowmen, and it reminds me of like that. And also they have the carrot over here. So, oh, she is having the bucket on her head. Then you can see over here the snowman. There's also cherries here. Oh, there's penguin over here. I didn't know that. So there's penguin. Then on the back side here, then you can see closely. Okay, I will put it in here. Okay. Next one is this one. Okay. Oh, so this is Santa Cutie. So Santa Cutie, here it is. Santa Cutie, I think Santa Cutie is also in the character. Yes, okay. And let's open it. So here's Santa Cutie, and they also have the snow. You know, this time they almost like not except few. A lot of them have the snow, so the bunny can't stand up on the snow. Okay, I think this makes it easily to display. So here it is. Here's the bunny. So bunny is wearing this red shirt, and she's also wearing this red hat. You can see this is like a simple, but design of it is really cute, I think, this time. Oh, I love the part how she has this red blusher here. So here it is. Here it is. Then I'll put it over here. So the next one that I will open is this one. So this is Christmas Elf. You can see this is Christmas Elf. And oh, it's this one, Christmas Elf. Here it is. Then the Christmas Elf. This part. I got it opened. Okay. Okay, let's get this off. So here is Christmas Elf. So Christmas Elf, she's also wearing this crown, and you can see the crown. And also she is wearing this green dress. Oh, there's polka dots over here, which makes it really cute and fancy. And she's also wearing the shoes with the polka dots. Then at the back, you can see over here. Oh, she's holding, I think there's something over here. Let me check. Oh, so there was, because I just found this hole here. Let me find it. Okay. So as you can see, there's this part. I'm going to put it. And then here it is. So the thing about this is really cute. I think she is hiding the present and she's about to surprise someone. So she wanted to surprise someone. I think you all had this experience of hiding presents. So this is like this. So here it is. And then she's hiding the present, and this is really cute part, how she hides the presents, and she's about to give the present to someone, I think. Over here. Then I'll put it over here. And finally, the last one, I am actually hoping that it would be secret, but I am not sure if it is secret. But let me just open it now. Now, every time the last part is really exciting to open because it's the last one. Okay, so this is a Christmas gift. And let's see. Oh, it's a Christmas gift. So I didn't get the secret, but this Christmas gift is really pretty too. So here it is, Christmas gift. This is really fancy and cute. Put it right here. You know, this time the bunny colors are really fancy, and they have all these colors like orange, yellow, and red, blue, white, black, and green. All the colors, which makes it really fancy. And they even have the purple color as well. So it's really pretty this time. And again, the bunny is on the snow. Let me find it. Oh. Okay, here it is. So here's the last bunny. So this is the Christmas gift bunny. Here it is, Christmas gift bunny. And Bunny is also on her hair. There's a Christmas gift. You can see over here, Christmas gift. And the back side, you can see here. Oh, her dress is really cute with light blue color and white accessories. The circle part is really cute. I love the hot part how she has the present on her head. And I also like her shoes over here. So you can see it very closely over here. Here. So now I have all the bunnies over here. So this was the Bunny Christmas series. And I will close you up this part. So you can see more closely the bunny part. You can see this time the bunny is really cute. I love how they have this fancy colors. They're really cute with the fancy colors. So here is the Bunny Christmas series, and I hope you enjoyed this 9 pieces. And I'm going to put this on my room, and I'm going to put this and also have hot chocolate as well again, because I love drinking hot chocolate. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I will see you on my next clip also with the Christmas again. So I think you guys also will enjoy that. So I'll see you again. Okay, bye.